Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students, welcome to the video lectures. This is lecture number 12 for class 3. Your subject is English and the book is Grammar and Usage. Here is your teacher, Fahad Mubin, from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are introduction, explanation, examples, exercise, and homework. Dear students, our today's lecture is about adjectives. What are adjectives, or what is the definition of adjectives? You have learnt this topic in your class 1 and 2. I want all of you to recall your previous knowledge and think about the adjectives. These are the words which tell the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, tall tree, short boy, pretty girl, beautiful flower. In these examples, the words tall, short, pretty and beautiful are the adjectives. ये वो words हैं जिन्हें हम adjectives कहते हैं. ये हमें nouns की या pronouns की किसी न किसी क्वालिटी के बारे में बता रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्री कैसा है, टॉल. बॉय कैसा है, शॉर्ट. गर्ल कैसी है, गर्ल के लिए हम शी का प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं, शी भी यूज हो सकता है इसकी जगह. तो वो कैसी है, प्रिटी. और फ्लावर कैसा है, ब्यूटीफुल. इस तरह ये सारे वर्ड्स जो हमें कैसे का या हाउ का आंसर देते हैं कि वो चीज़ें देखने में कैसी हैं, वो मैनर्स में कैसी हैं. These words are called adjectives. Let's see a few more examples to have a better understanding of the topic. Here, the examples are given in sentence form. In order to find out the adjective in the sentence, first you need to understand what is the noun in the sentence. See the examples one by one. First one, my mother cooks tasty food. As here the noun is food, and how is that food? Tasty. So the word tasty is an adjective. Second example, Ali is reading a comic book. Comic is a word that is describing the noun book. Word comic हमें बता रहा है कि ये book कैसी है या कौन सी है. So comic is the adjective. Third sentence, the hunter killed a big white tiger. यहाँ आप देखें कि noun tiger है और उसकी एक से ज़्यादा qualities हैं. It means we can also use more than one words, more than one adjectives to describe a noun. They can be 2, 3 or more. Here, two qualities of the tiger are big, its size, and white, its color. Fourth sentence, our car is red and new. यहाँ भी कार की दो क्वालिटीज हैं, red and new. See the fifth sentence, she is singing a sweet song. Noun को देखें आप, song noun है और कैसा है, बहुत अच्छा song, sweet song. So the words that are given you in colors, tasty, comic, big, white, red, new and sweet, all these are adjectives. Dear students, now we are going to solve exercise 36 of your grammar books. It is on page number 125 and 126. Listen to me carefully. It is very easy to understand. You are supposed to underline the adjectives. In order to underline the adjectives or find out adjectives, first you are supposed to know what are the nouns. किन nouns को describe कर रहे हैं adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. और जिस noun को वो describe करें, जब आप उसको understand कर लेंगे तो फिर आपके लिए adjective को underline करना बहुत easy होगा. The question is, underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Let's see one by one. First sentence, this plant has long green leaves. Noun कौन सा है? Leaves. तो इसके adjectives कौन से होंगे? Long and green. Second sentence, the moon is bright and round tonight. Noun is moon. और moon कैसा दिख रहा है आज? Bright and round. Third sentence, elephants are huge grey animals with long trunks. अब आप ध्यान से देखिए कि यहाँ एक से ज़्यादा नाउन्स को डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. एलिफेंट्स कैसे हैं? ह्यूज और ग्रे. जबकि ट्रंक एक और नाउन है, अलग नाउन है, और वो कैसी है? लॉन्ग. यू कैन सी दैट there are more than one adjectives in the same sentence. तो आपने बहुत ध्यान से sentences को पढ़ना है. Sentence number 4, some parrots are big and have white feathers. कौन कौन से हैं? Big और white. Students, इस बात का भी ख्याल रखें कि हमेशा adjectives इकट्ठे आगे पीछे नहीं आएंगे, बल्कि उनके बीच में and वगैरह इस तरह के words भी आ सकते हैं. Fifth sentence, most nurses put on white uniforms. इसमें एक ही adjective है. यूनिफॉर्म किस तरह के यूनिफॉर्म पहने हुए नर्सेज ने? white. Next sentence, John bought a little orange goldfish. John ने एक goldfish खरीदी जो कैसी है? little, और उसका कलर कैसा है? orange. Seventh sentence, there are two small pink dolphins in the zoo. किस तरह की हैं dolphins? Small and pink. See the sentence number 8. I caught some big red ants in the forest. Here the adjectives are big and red for the noun ants. Next sentence, some trees in the park are big, tall and old. Trees are the nouns and their adjectives are big, tall and old. 3 adjectives are given about the trees. 10th sentence, the apple is big and juicy. This is very simple and clear. Big and juicy are the adjectives. Next sentence, there are several tiny yellow fish in the tank. Fish is the noun. Tank के अंदर जो fish हैं वो कैसी हैं? Tiny. You may pronounce it tinny. ये दोनों pronunciations ठीक हैं, tiny और tinny. And the next adjective is yellow. Next sentence, two little blackbirds are singing on the tree. Here the noun is birds. और ये birds कैसे हैं? Little and black. So our answer about the adjectives is little and black. Sentence number 13. The hunter was bitten by a small green snake. Bitten is a verb. It is the third form of verb beat. Beat means मारना. किस तरह के snake को मारा? Small and green. Next sentence, Mr. Ramos is tall, dark and handsome. Very clear. Mr. Ramos कैसा है? Tall, dark and handsome. Last sentence is number 15. Crocodiles are huge reptiles with big sharp teeth. क्रोकोडाइल्स कैसे रेप्टाइल्स हैं? ह्यूज। और उनके टीथ कैसे होते हैं? बिग एंड शार्प। Dear students, I hope you have fully understood the concept of adjectives. This is the time for home task. Students, you will solve this exercise number 36 in your grammar books. This is all about today's lecture. If you have any queries or questions, do ask me in the inbox. I am here to guide you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.